Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials: BVN, a valid ID, and the phone number linked to your bank. Open the Piggyvest app and register with your email. Enter the OTP sent to your phone to verify. Once done, choose a strong password and enable biometric login if available so you save time next sessions. You do this now because secure access prevents future delays. Next, you'll link a bank account for funding and automated saving. You link your bank by entering the account number and selecting the bank. Confirm with the OTP or microdeposit method presented. Once linked, fund your Piggyvest wallet using bank transfer, card, or UST. Pick an amount you can sustain. Next, set up a savings plan. Choose auto-save for recurring transfers, target savings for a goal, or safe lock to lock funds. Make sure to set the frequency and reminder rules so transfers happen automatically without manual intervention. You finish by monitoring your dashboard to confirm balances and earned interest. Adjust plan amounts or pause transfers when needed. When withdrawing, select the wallet amount, choose your linked bank, and confirm. Withdrawals usually process within the stated time, so plan for delays. If something fails, like a missing deposit or failed withdrawal, clear the app cache, ensure the app is updated, and contact Piggyvest support with the transaction ID and screenshots. This speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.